am a physical property of a substance. I am a measure of the ability of a material to conduct electricity. Yes, Senna.
Electrical conductivity.
You're right. They solved the riddle on the second clue. 4.4. Next one. I am a solid element. But this is no news because there are so many solid elements in the periodic table. I belong to the class of substances that are not able to conduct electricity. I am insoluble in water but soluble in ethanol. I am a good candidate for a practical demonstration on sublimation. I am required. Yes, Emmanuel. Go on. Okay, who rang next? Yes, Senna.
Iodine.
They solved the riddle on the fifth clue, 3 points. For a circle, I am pi d. Yes.
Circumference.
No. Who ran? Yes, Senna.
Perimeter.
You're right. I am used to describe a group of arthropods that include more than 1 million described species, most of which are insects. In terms of sheer number of species, no other group in the kingdom Animalia comes close to my members. The success of my members in colonizing land can be attributed to their body plan as well as flying skills. The most distinctive feature of my members is the reduction in walking appendages to sex. This is in contrast to other arthropods, most of which have more than 3 pairs of legs. My name in Greek literally means 6 feet. Yes, Wula?
Hexapods.
Yes. I am inherently a dynamic and complex system that is affected by different factors such as tillage, roots, biological activities, and rainfall events. In turn, I equally interact and affect the root growth and function, soil fauna and biota, water and solute transport processes, gas exchange, and thermal conductivity. Ignoring me or viewing me as static can lead to poor predictions of soil properties and might significantly affect the soil management. My decline under irrigation is usually related to the breakdown of aggregates and dispersion of clay material. Yes, Ansabel.
Soil erosion.
No, I continue. And dispersion of clay material as a result of rapid wetting. I describe the arrangement of the solid parts of the soil. Yes, Wula.
The soil structure.
Yes, it's the soil structure. I encourage lasting relationships among friends, families, the young and the old. To do this, I constantly preach sharing as a virtue. Even when the sharing of resources is not done on equitable basis, I still encourage beneficiaries to stick together. I work among atoms of different elements. Yes, Wula.
Covalent bond.
Yes. I am an inorganic compound, a liquid of low boiling point and very soluble in water. Though one of my atoms uses sp3 hybridized orbitals, my molecule is linear. I have as many as 3 pairs of non-bonding electrons. I am acidic whether in the pure state or in solution, and I have 3 other siblings which are also acidic. Among us, I have the weakest ability to donate a proton simply because I have the shortest and strongest bond. I have an atom derived from the lightest member of the halogens. Yes, Niamu?
Hydrogen fluoride.
You're right. I am an elementary particle. I am a neutral spin 1 particle. I am massless. I am the particle that mediates electromagnetic interactions. Niamu?
The photon.
It's a photon. I am a horticultural and silvicultural practice. I involve the selective removal of certain parts of a plant. Yes, Niamu?
Pruning.
Yes. There is geological evidence that I appeared on the scene about 2 billion years ago. I was supposed to have been produced as a result of photolysis of water vapor. But some scientists hold the view that I am mostly of biological origin. Currently, I am the most abundant among my peers on Earth. I form... Yes, Niamu?
Oxygen.
You're right. I am a named law in physics. I am applied in mechanics, where together with 2 other laws, I am used to solve problems in dynamics. I am a law of motion. I am the last. Yes, Nathaniel?
Newton's third law of
Oh,
motion.
yeah. I am a term that is used in many disciplines. In molecular biology, I am a vehicle used to transfer genetic material. Yes.
Chromosome.
Manuela?
Chromosome.
No. I continue. In molecular biology, I'm a vehicle used to transfer genetic material such as DNA sequences from the donor organism to the target cell of the recipient organism. In epidemiology, I am an organism such as an insect that transmits a pathogen. Isaac?
Vector.
Yes. I am an aromatic base. My basicity is due to the nitrogen in my molecule. There's a myth that I'm very toxic, especially to men, but it is my smell that is bad. I am a 6-membered heterocyclic compound. Protonation does not destroy my... Yes, Uzo.
Aniline. Aniline.
No. I continue. Protonation does not destroy my aromaticity. So who am I? Yes, Isaac?
Pyridine.
You're right.
I'm an anhydrous inorganic salt. I have a simple cation and a complex anion. I'm soluble in water, but not as soluble as my tetrahydrate derivative. My cation is derived from a reactive metallic element, whose ores include fluorite and apatite. My metal burns with a yellow-red flame, while my anion in any salt renders the salt water soluble. Who am I? Sunyani.
Zinc hydroxide.
What?
Zinc hydroxide.
No, please. Presec.
We have calcium trioxonitrate 5.
That is correct. I am a formula. I only involve addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You may have first encountered me in your study of optics. I relate an optical property of a specific type of object to its geometry. I'm the formula that gives the power of a lens in terms of the radii of its surfaces. Who am I, Presec?
Lens maker's formula.
That is correct. I am a compound statement formed from two simple statements. I'm true in 3 out of 4 instances. I'm characterized by the connective or. Presec.
Disjunction.
That is correct.
I am a parameter that is used in quantitative descriptions of collisions. In the Rutherford scattering experiment, in which, yes, Benjamin?
Coefficient of restitution.
No. I continue. In the Rutherford scattering experiment, in which an alpha particle approaches a nucleus essentially at rest, I equal angular momentum divided by the magnitude of the initial momentum of the alpha particle. In Rutherford scattering, I am related to scattering angle. The greater my value, the smaller the scattering angle. I am the perpendicular distance between. Yes, Kisi?
Closest distance of approach.
No. For you. I am the perpendicular distance between the line of approach of an incoming projectile and the parallel line through the center of the target field. So who am I?
Impact parameter.
You are right. In geometry, I am a point, a line, or a plane. Yes, Kisi?
Locus.
No. I am an object in a class. I am any of the terms in the array forming a matrix. Yes, Isaac.
Element.
You're right. I may be a number or a polynomial. As a polynomial, an example of me is f of x is equal to the expression x plus 2 multiplying the expression x minus 3. As a number, an example of me is 6. I am characterized by having proper factors. I am also a purposely designed. Yes, which of you? Answer.
Composite function.
Jephthah.
Composite function.
No, I'm not accepting it. I continue reading. I am also a purposely designed engineering material created by combining single materials. Yes, Isaac?
Composite.
Composite.